Hello, friends. Hope you are doing great. In today's lesson, we are going to discuss about adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives point out which person or thing is meant, as this boy is stronger than Harry. That boy is industrious. These mangoes are sour. Those rascals must be punished. Don't be in such a hurry. I hate such things. Demonstrative adjectives answer the question, which. It will be noticed that this and that are used with singular noun and these and those with plural nouns. What, which, and whose when they are used with noun to ask question are called interrogative adjectives as what manner of man is he? Which way shall we go? Whose book is this? In the following sentences, the words own and very are used as emphasizing adjectives. I saw it with my own eyes. He was beaten at his own game. Mind your own business. He is his own master. That is the very thing we want. When all else left my cause, my very adversary took my part. Exclamatory adjective as what genius, what folly, what an idea, what a blessing, what a piece of work is man. As already pointed out, this and that are the only adjectives which are inflected or changed in form to show number. This girl sings. These girls sing. That boy plays. Those boys play. These indicate something near to the speaker. That, those indicate more distant objects. Read these sentences. Tom's mango is sweet. Henry's mango is sweeter than Tom's. John's mango is the sweetest of all. In sentence 1, the adjective sweet merely tells us that Tom's mango has the quality of sweetness without saying how much of this quality it has. In sentence 2, the adjective sweeter tells us that Henry's mango, compared with Tom's, has more of the quality of sweetness. In sentence 3, the adjective sweetest tells us that of all these mangoes, John's mango has the greatest amount or highest degree of the quality of sweetness. We thus see that adjectives change in form sweet, sweeter, sweetest. To show comparison, the comparative degrees of an adjective denotes a higher degree of the quality than the positive, and is used when two things or sets of things are compared as this boy is stronger than that. Which of these two pens is the better? Apples are dearer than oranges. The superlative degree of an adjective denotes the highest degree of the quality and is used when more than two things or sets of things are compared as this boy is the strongest in the class. The superlative with most is sometimes used where there is no idea of comparison but merely a desire to indicate the possession of a quality in a very high degree as this is most unfortunate. It was a most eloquent speech, truly a most ingenious device. This use has been called the superlative eminence or the absolute superlative.